Hi guys, today I'm going to be helping you go through the steps for your GoAnimate script project. Now that we've studied a film and script format, it's time for you to make your own. We're going to be using GoAnimate, Adobe Audition or Audacity, and Adobe Photoshop to complete this project. So for step 1, you need to browse the settings below, settings for your scripts that you're going to be writing, or backdrops as they call it in GoAnimate. And you're going to choose one of them to create a script. So if you want to take a look, there's Space Odyssey, Anime, Ninja Battles, School Chronicles, Wildlife, there's one about pirates there, and then Basketball Fever. So there's a variety. You want to take a look, pick one of those for your setting for your script. Then you're going to actually write your script using correct script format, including stage directions that indicate where each character should be on stage, what he or she should look like, what they should sound like and talk like, and what expressions they should have on their faces while they're talking. You must use only 2 characters and only 10 lines of dialogue. And this is important because your GoAnimate movie won't hold more than that. So make sure you're only using 2 characters and 10 lines of dialogue. You will turn this into a script, and then you're going to plug it in to GoAnimate. So let's just take a look at an example script really quick. Notice that the stage directions are in parentheses and italicized except for the characters' names, and there's a double space between each character's lines. So I wrote up the script. I just picked Mrs. Jenkins as the teacher character. I picked the setting School Chronicles from above. And it says called up to the blackboard, and this is the one that I chose. Have you done your homework? Is it time to show up pressure? So I had a student. I picked a student named Sam, who is a typical high school girl who wears the latest fashions and keeps up on the latest celebrity trends and gossip, uses teen diction, as that's one of the things in our unit that we talked about was diction, word choice. So I had Mrs. Jenkins talk like a teacher would talk, use the same kind of words, and Sam speak in the diction and dialogue and that sort of thing that teenagers typically use. So it's very stereotypical, but that gets the point across in what we're trying to study in this unit. Next, you're going to go to GoAnimate and select the backdrop that you selected for your script, pick your actors, and then type your dialogue into your script. Or you're going to use Adobe Audition or Audacity to record your own voice from each character, but you still have to type that in there so that the characters can move their mouth. So let's go take a look at GoAnimate. This is GoAnimate. I've selected the School Chronicles already. I'm going to hit Next button. Then this will take me to choose a setting, and I chose called up to the blackboard, so I'm going to select that one by browsing through here and hit Next. And then I'm going to select my actors. I thought that these actors best represented how I described my characters and my stage directions at the beginning, so I'm going to choose them and hit Next. That will take me to the script where I can actually copy and paste in my script that I've already typed up and the lines. And then I'm going to hit Preview, which will take me to the video that GoAnimate produced. And so it will have a computer-generated voice. But we're going to use, we're going to just shut off the volume and go to screencast-o-matic.com and then hit Start Recording, and you can adjust the box, the size of your screen recording, to be just big enough to capture all of your video right here. Then you're going to save that to your desktop. Let me show you what that looks like. I've saved it to my desktop and it's right here, okay? And then I'm going to bring that into Windows Movie Maker. And then after that, I'm going to go to Adobe Audition or Audacity, bring up Audacity. And I'm going to just record my own voice over the character, the animated characters talking. Export that, you go to File and Export as an MP3. And then you can also bring that into your Windows Movie Maker project, where I have, when you click Add Music, you can add your voice narration that you recorded in Audition or Audacity into your project and put that right over the video, so that way when you play it, you're hearing my voice instead of the computer typed voices. Okay. Also, you need to add a title sequence at the beginning where you have a picture of your characters with the title of your script. And you can do that by doing a screen capture back on GoAnimate. You just hit screen capture, take that into Photoshop, copy and paste it into Photoshop, and then you're going to use the type tool to type your title on the screen. Save that as a JPEG, and then you can also bring that into Windows Movie Maker here at the beginning so that you have a title for your script. And then at the end, you can add credits and type in your information here for what you used to prepare your movie. Once you're finished, you're going to go to File, and you're either going to save the movie and upload it to the Dropbox, or you're going to publish the movie to YouTube, and then you can upload the URL to the Dropbox. You will also need to include the script that you typed, as that is part of the project. So you're going to save or preview the video after you've combined it into Movie Maker, save the video and submit it to the Dropbox or upload to YouTube. And you also need to submit a typed final draft of your script, okay? Because I need to be able to see your stage directions. If you have any questions, email me or let me know about that. Here's a link to the example video, and then I will also send this to you where I will have a link to this tutorial.